What you doing, son? Girls, at night number 1.
We both have the same coat. It's cold.
So we had to drive.
Come
25 minutes to get to Publix because, of course, you know, when you're camping, you're just away from everything. Let's see what he do. It's time to grab some greens. I'm looking for organic cabbage, but y'all see it's $2.49 per pound, and the one I just picked up was like 3 pounds, so it's like what, $7.50, and then the rest of them is like $1.29 per pound. You gotta measure it, so you gotta look and see what this comes.
nothing.
No, I'm just showing you. It looks more like yellow.
Can you put that?
That's fine. Let's go to the park. Look at y'all. So if you ever wonder like how people shower while they're camping, this is kind of like a setup of these little So I've had a few activities. This one is, I got this for $5, but I got 3 of them. So I was like, why not bring it with us? And then I created some activities that I'm excited about. So I created some stickers for their little blank journal. One for each of the girls. I created these stickers on Adobe. And so I just used sticker paper, printed out, and cut it on my machine. Love how these turned out. So cute. And then I printed out like some scavenger hunts, as well as, what is this called? As well as a color hunt. So this is some things that we'll be doing this week.
Now you can do.
So what are you about to do, ma'am?
Nature walk scavenger hunt.
Let me see, come here.
Happy Tabernacles!
Do you know how to cinnamon it? Oh, never mind.
If you get some water, he'll drink it all up.
Girls. I can't see your face. Go sit down. want it to be fluffy, but no, sir. So hey y'all, welcome to the last day of the vlog. I missed so many days of footage. So much has happened. The first few days were really cold, so I didn't really vlog much. Not a lot was going on. We didn't have a lot of lighting in the tent, so I was like, let's just try to keep warm, right? But today we're packing up. We've been out here since Sunday. Today is Saturday, and we are packing up to go home. So it's been an amazing trip, as always. We've learned a whole lot. I've turned into the homeschool mom that definitely wants to identify all the trees and compare acorns and all of the wildlife and stuff like that. Here's my son. He's trying to get some cereal, but I've turned into the homeschool mom that always is trying to identify something and just take advantage of natural learning opportunities. So we've been, doing our little homeschool thing, even out here, learning a lot. I also learned some things myself that I didn't know about, like decomposition of different items. So I'm going to insert a clip of that if I haven't already. Yeah, this is so interesting. So this is at the park we're at. It's a decomposition timeline for recycling. So glass bottle takes 1 million years. Ice bag 1,000 years. Plastic bottle 100 to 1,000 years. Styrofoam cup 500 years. This is pretty interesting. Cigarette butts 10 years. Wow. But it's been a refresher, right? Lots of sunlight. Obviously, we're in the tent for. Oh, you okay? Get up. Been in the tent for however many days we've been out here. So yeah, that's really all I got, for this vlog. I wish I had recorded more, but again, I just wasn't feeling it. It was super cold the first three days, and I was like, yeah, I don't want to be on camera. I'm not gonna take my hair down. I'm not feeling it. So I got little seconds here and there, so hopefully this can make up a nice little story. If not, I'm just going to narrate a little bit more of what happened and stuff like that. But yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, y'all. One thing I forgot to add, we are celebrating the Feast of Tabernacles, which is something that the Most High commanded us to celebrate. You can find it in Leviticus 23. I never really share all in depth of what we're doing, but we are celebrating a biblical holy day, a biblical feast, right? So we are commanded to gather out here, dwell in booths, which would be the tent for us and stuff like that. So I did want to share that because people are like, why are you out here so long, and whatever case may be. But yeah, we're just following the Bible, living according to the Bible, keeping the commandments as best as we can. So that's why. And my babies truly enjoy it. They get the best sleep out here. They have the most fun because they're outside, able to run freely and play with their friends and stuff like that. So yeah, I did want to share that. It's biblical. Drawing different types of hairstyles.
So hi guys. My name on it. Yeah.
No, what you drawing?
I messed up. I don't know why. Oh my gosh.
Y'all eating so many bugs in here. I'm vlogging. Guess who's relaxing while everything's being packed up? Me. But these bugs, y'all, the first few days they were not out, but when they start to warm up, we've seen so many inside the tent and outside the tent. What you doing? What you doing? Is it too big for you? No? Okay. Y'all, everything is broke down. Just have the cot left in here. Now it's almost time to go. He said the bug's gonna be in there next year. Y'all ain't heard it. What you doing?